So today's adventure is a little bit different. I am not going camping. I'm not going biking. I am just going to be doing a garden, a little vegetable garden. So I thought I would just do a little video on how I do it. I am not a professional gardener. I have actually only ever had 2 vegetable gardens. So this is kind of a learning experience. It's not going to be very big. It's just going to be a little something to produce some vegetables that taste delicious. Anyway, yeah, so I'll check back in with you. Just do periodic little videos if I can. And no hate for this video because, again, I am not a professional. Warning, warning, not a professional. Okay, so stay tuned. Old footwear, responsible footwear, cute footwear, needed footwear. Oh, I think there's a little bunny. Not really sure. So yeah, I'm just at my son's house. We are both wanting a garden. So we're going to turn this mess into a garden. So this is the before. Got my work gloves. Yeah, stage 1. Okay, so I take a little break because that was exhausting, but I'll show you what I've got done. I'm just gonna rake up a little bit and then I'm gonna call it quits. Talk to you soon. Hi everyone, day 2. Yesterday I kind of called it quits because I'm not feeling well, so I called it quits. So today I'm going back and I am going to plant some potatoes, and I got some seeds. I got some yellow beans, some peas, cucumbers. I'm going to attempt carrots. I've never been successful at carrots. And then tomorrow I will stop and get some tomato plants and some pepper plants. Just a couple of each. Again, it's not a big garden, so I know I have to limit what I have in there. So yeah, that's what today's going to be about. And I watched some YouTube videos last night about planting, so I got some tips. I am doing potatoes, like I said, and I have never planted a potato before. My dad plants potatoes all the time, but yeah, so I will start video when I get back to my son's house, and I'll talk to you later. Peace, peeps. So I was told to go 6 inches in. So 6 inches in, down deep, the sprouts up top, cover them up.